Welcome to the second lecture in our series about statistical analysis and psychology. It's based on the College Board course outline for AP Psychology version 1. My name is Chris Gall, and I wrote today's lecture. As always, feel free to stop or pause the lecture if you need to write stuff down or to go back and re-listen if it will help you understand things better. So according to the College Board, by the end of this lecture, you should be able to distinguish the difference between inferential and descriptive statistics. To distinguish means that you should know and understand the differences between the two and be able to identify and explain when they should be used. This will be a fairly straightforward lecture during which I'll define the two terms and then provide some examples of when each one might be used. In order to survive today's lecture, you're going to need your mad math skills, so see how you do. According to the APA, descriptive statistics are procedures for depicting the main aspects of sample data without necessarily inferring to a larger population. Descriptive statistics usually include the mean, the median, and mode to indicate central tendency, as well as the range and the standard deviation to reveal how widely spread the scores are within the sample. Descriptive statistics could also include charts and graphs, such as frequency distribution or a histogram, among others. So, descriptive statistics specifically, they describe a data set. What they do not do is generalize to the rest of the population. That part about not generalizing is key. People will want to use them to generalize, and non-scientists will often try to, but you want to avoid doing that because it's impossible or difficult to do accurately. Inferential statistics, according to the APA, is a broad class of statistical techniques that allow inferences about characteristics of a population to be drawn from a sample data of that population while controlling, at least partially, the extent to which errors of inference may be made. These techniques include approaches for testing hypotheses, estimating the value of parameters, and selecting among a set of competing models. In essence, these are the opposite of descriptive statistics. If descriptive statistics describe data, inferential statistics are what take data and allow you to make inferences, that is to say, educated guesses, about a larger population. Descriptive statistics are what are generally used in an experiment. They describe a precise population and an exact set of experimental conditions. Inferential statistics are typically used with surveys or with studies where the goal is to use a subset of the population in an attempt to describe the entirety. Another way to think of it, descriptive statistics are what you tend to learn in a general mathematics class, whereas inferential techniques are what you learn when you take more advanced statistics classes. So, woohoo! You made it to the end of the statistics piece. You were successful in learning from this lecture if you can explain what descriptive statistics are, what inferential statistics are, and when and why they might be used. Descriptive statistics describe a set of data, and inferential statistics allow you to generalize about a population. You use descriptive statistics when you want to explain what is going on within a specific data set. You use inferential statistics when you want to talk about what's going on more broadly within a population. You could think of descriptive statistics as those things you learned as part of high school algebra. If you want to learn to do inferential statistics, you would need to take college courses in statistics, and probably not just the introductory ones. As always, if you feel like you missed something or are not quite clear, try rewatching all or part of the video. If you still have questions after that, bring them to class and I'll answer them as best I can. Until the next time we see each other, live long and prosper.